Let's solve a CAT question under 60 seconds. This is a question which is based on a key concept in mensuration, and the concept involved is that whenever there are two similar objects and they have a ratio of length, so two similar objects like two spheres, one sphere is always similar to another, a cube is always similar to the other cube. So if you've got two cubes, then what happens between them is that whatever ratios they have of their length measurements, like the side of the cube or the radius of the sphere, etc. So whatever the ratio of the lengths of those length measurements are, if you square that, you will get the ratio of the area measurements of those objects. And if you cube the lengths, you will get the volume ratios of those objects. So this question from CAT 2017 slot 1 told us that a cube is melted to form 5 metallic cubes whose volumes are in this ratio. So if the volumes are in this ratio, if you cube the sides, you will get the volumes. So the cube roots of the volumes will become the side ratios of those 5 cubes. So given 1:1:8:27:27, you can predict or you can work out that the side ratios of those 5 cubes which are formed are 1:1:2, cube root of 8:3:3. And if the side ratios are these, the surface areas of those cubes will be in the ratio squared of the sides, which will be 1:1:4:9:9. And you can work out that the total surface area in this context, if this ratio is a multiplier of 1, will be 24. The question being asked is, from the original cube, how much has the surface area increased by what percent? So you will now need to find out the surface area of the original cube. And for that, you have to understand that given this ratio of the volumes of the new cubes, the total volume of these cubes will also be the total volume of the original cube. So the total volume of these cubes is 64. So if I take the total volume of the original cube as 64, again this will be cubed of the side. So the side of the original cube will be 4. If the side of the original cube is 4, the surface area of the original cube is going to be 16. And now the new surface area, as we worked out, is 24. So the growth in the surface area is 50%. And that's the answer to this question. I'll come up with a detailed discussion of this in a concept video. So do follow the channel and do follow me for more.